Mic check. Mic check. Where's my audio? There it is. Mic check. Mic check. Mic. You're good. Good there. Good morning. Afternoon, actually, now for me. Evening for some of you. Playing catch up here, so just give me a few minutes. Okay, I think we're basically ready to go. This audio is a little bit loud for me. I'm going to turn it way down, and I'm going to turn the desktop audio up a bit. Not too much. Okay, let's check that again real quick. Test. Okay, sounds fine. Okay. What is up, everybody? So, we have so much work to do today. Like, it's actually insane. And we gotta get a release out today. Because we've gone so long without releasing anything that it's, like, disappointing. So I'm gonna switch to dark mode because the light in VS Code is hurting my eyes. This should work fine. So, we're actually in the wrong repo. Let's close out of the code base for the game and let's go to the website. We've got like a lot of website stuff to do, like at least 40 things. It's insane. Okay, so if I go to the board, so we've got a few priorities here. Let me actually scroll down. This should be brought in. There's something that's not on this board, which is forgot password, email, not sending again. I'll make it lowercase. We need to find out why it's not happening, because this happened a few times. Okay. This is basically the top priority, because if people can't get into their accounts, then they're just going to keep pinging me. We're also working on the event calendar. We haven't really started that yet. Let's work on this though. Forgot password email is not sending, so let's try it locally. And I hope I'm not gonna cough too much today. But I am like still recovering from a sickness that lasted 3 weeks. So let's see what happens. Pull. Take a number is 198. And dev. I don't think I'm running anything over here. Okay, so let me open Heidi so I can know what my email addresses are. Because it won't send an email if your email doesn't exist, obviously. So we need to make sure that I'm looking up the right people. So look up website user. Here we go. Let's say for Nim. Let's make him real email. Okay, chardix@gmail.com. Okay, so this is a real email that exists in the system. First, I'm just gonna do. Sorry. First, I'm just gonna do it and see what happens, and see if we see anything in the console, etc. Terminal. So let's just do it and see what happens. Password success. Okay. And here we go. Missing required environment variables, KV REST API, and KV REST API token. Are you serious? Oh, come on. What happened in Vercel? Settings. Environment variables. Wait. Where's... There it is. No, don't go to the website. Settings, environment variables. It's right there. Missing required environment variables. Okay, let me look at these variables. Okay, it hasn't been updated. Okay, so this keeps happening. So I don't know what's happening, but basically I keep adding a KV database and it keeps like not being there. Like something keeps deleting it. So I guess I have to do this again? I don't get what's going on. We only need a database to prevent people from, like, overcalling things. But here's the thing, like, it makes no sense that it should stop the whole process just because it can't connect to EV or whatever, KV. Like, there should... Come on. KV? Okay. This has me stumped. I don't know why I can't find this. KV REST API URL. I don't know what's going on here. Import KV. Here's the logic. Maybe our code doesn't use it, but it still is used somehow. Let's try it again. Okay, so the console log never happens. Let's put it above. Alright, now it's laying my clipboard. I don't have to type for a fucking million times. Okay, so it's airing right here. So I think we need a try catch or something that says, you know, don't do it if you can't do it. Man, I haven't done a try catch in JavaScript in like forever. I don't even remember how to do it. Catch error. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work. Console log, unable to rate limit. See, if we type it as unknown, though, it's not gonna have any properties. So this makes no sense, literally. Like, not any sense at all. Also, this doesn't work. So the IP is only needed for this stuff, so we can put this here because it's never used again. I think. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Also, I don't know. Okay. Let me put this specific tab here. This can be the stream management stuff. There you go. And love that YouTube's not showing me a comment stream. Thank you. Okay. So the alternative to this is maybe just put this in here. Okay. Yeah, this is good because now it's basically saying put all that KV rate limiting stuff in one place. So it does get here to remove that. Just log the whole error, I guess. Okay. Okay, so now it's shown as a console error. Which we probably should say console error instead of console log. But I think this will work now, because it's gonna not show my personal email on stream. That's not the account I need. Let's add another account. Okay, so what I'm trying to show you guys is, and I can actually, I can show you the whole thing. This cough better not ruin this stream, I swear. Okay, so now it's sending. So it wasn't because KV was failing, but now we have it basically stuck to its own area. Now I would just change this log to error, and I would trigger it again. And then we gotta figure out why KV keeps getting deleted. It's so annoying. It's like I create this database for rate limiting every 2 months, and Vercel just keeps deleting it. Doesn't tell me it's deleting it. It's never gonna delete it. Doesn't mention any limitation where it's like it'll only be there for 2 months. Nope, just deletes it after a while. Okay. And this should be an error now. Actually, it doesn't matter. It's still not in red, but whatever. Okay. Yeah, so why does Vercel keep deleting our KV database? Let's find that out. You must reactivate your database by executing a read or write operation. Okay, so there are a couple things here. First of all, that. Second of all, this is a completely different error. It's saying missing required environment variables. Before I open this file, let's move that off screen. I hate how so many things I have to move off screen. It's not here. Why isn't it here? This project has always been on this computer. How do we not have these things here? Confusion. Like serious confusion here. Let's just copy this. Copy this. And probably shouldn't be showing that on screen either. REST API read-only token. What? Okay. And these should probably be in a list. Okay, there we go. So they're in here and they're in EMV death list, which I can't show you guys because it has nothing, nothing bad. Okay. So let's try it again. Need to make this bigger by default so it's not so annoying. Okay, did it error that time? I don't think so. I think it just worked. That should have sent another one. There should be like 3 now. Yeah, I think there is. No, last one was 3 minutes ago. Yeah, so that didn't send me an email unless I put in the wrong one. Let's just take this somewhere else. I can't. Thank you for fucking this up. Okay, hold on 1 second. I need to erase some things from the clipboard that I don't want people to see. Okay, and we're back. Okay, so forgot password, cancel. What is this? Oh, it's a 1Password thing. Chardex, real email. Okay, it did it again. Should have. Huh. Well, now this is concerning because it's not giving me an email when I expect it to. Okay, so the KV database I think is still there. Doesn't show up in storage, which is really annoying. Maybe it is there? I wonder if there's some way we can prove it's there. Let's take a look at the network. XHR. It's a cancel? I think I need to do it again to find out. Cancel this stuff. Okay, so yeah, it says canceled. Response headers 0. Interesting. Cancel. Why would it cancel? It says 200 okay. Oh, this is the wrong one. Okay, no response headers. What the hell does this mean? canceled, and it's supposed to add headers to response. I'm thinking it's not running this, but let's see. That is so strange. Okay, let's go back. I'm doing nothing and it's just canceling. Let's see, console. No remaining. Throwing rate limit exceeded. I see, okay. So there's none remaining. I think it's because the database doesn't exist anymore. So, I don't know if we want to return in this case. So if the rate limit is exceeded, I think we still want to send the email. That makes no sense though. But like, if the database is still going to keep expiring, then it's still going to keep returning, and it's not going to send anything. So, I don't know. Under the hobby plan, databases that remain inactive for more than 30 days are subject to deletion. So basically, if I call this API thing, the forgot password API call, once a month, then it should never delete, but I don't know. You will receive a notification on Vercel. Well, I didn't get any notification. Where's my notifications? Within 7 days of receiving the flare, it'll be permanently deleted. Okay, so we can either delete the rate limiting stuff, which I don't know if that's a good idea, but it has been a pain point for us, or we can just say, I have to call the API once a month. But I bet you anything, there's going to be a month where I just can't do it or forget to or something, and then all of a sudden it's broken again, and all of a sudden I'm angry again. So I don't know. I'm thinking about just getting rid of this rate limiting crap. I mean, we don't have rate limiting on anything else, so I don't know why we have to have it on this. Yeah, just for now, I'm gonna remove this crap, and we're gonna not re-limit. Okay, we probably don't need this now. Probably don't need this now. we can remove Vercel KV, because if you're not even going to keep the database when we're not looking, then fuck you, Vercel. Honestly. Upstash rate limit, I don't think we need this anymore. Yeah. Okay, it's only in package lock. Let's go ahead and run an npm install. Okay, no results. Okay. Let's test it again. Okay, so copy this. We're going to write some documentation. So yeah, the problem was anyway, just writing something for myself later. So, need to rerun the site. Okay, let's try it now. Should get an email. Okay, just got one. Let's do it one more time just to make sure. Should get another one. And he does. And we're gonna not show this on screen, but we're gonna basically click, actually we can't click that link. We're gonna copy the link address and basically put in localhost instead. And yeah, I can show you guys this. And I don't know what the new one is. We're gonna say it's spaghetti. Actually, I probably shouldn't do that on stream. We're gonna say it's something like this. Okay. Make sure we can log in with that password I just used. Cool. And now we're gonna do the same thing one more time. Got my password. Should get one more email. And again, same thing, copy link address. It's weird that this is purple. I don't understand why the first part is purple. That seems like a bug to me. I'm gonna change it to what it should be now. And it was successful. So now I can log in. Okay. That's working now. We're gonna make a commit for that. Okay. That was just one of the many things that we have to do today. Okay. Okay, so it has been queued. I'm just gonna review it real quick. No real change here. We're having the rate limiting stuff. Yep. Okay. We can put this into the ticket and see code review. Now, this was finally fixed by the OpenRC team. Well, I fixed it, but they merged it. So they finally merged it. Somewhere here. So we actually can update. So now for this ticket, we need to update the code to not have it, basically. So let's open the game code base, because there's basically a custom fix that we need to remove, I guess, and then merge in the latest from open. Let me see what that diff for connections was. I see. Okay. This is fine. So I think we can just merge the change, and then I guess we could do it one of two ways. I'm gonna do it in a certain way. So first off, let's look at the change that was made. Or I guess I could also revert the commit. Let's see. Or actually, I don't even know if I fixed this in Neat yet. I think I did with maze key. It's a one-liner. I didn't fix this yet. Oh wow. I thought I fixed it on Neat free to play, but I guess not. Okay, that's fine. That's great. Yeah, it's not here yet. So, while we're here, I think we need to update the README a little bit. Because there are some, like, custom changes. If I remember correctly. Okay, so let's find this. Maybe I didn't commit it? Interesting. Because it's not here. Basically, it should move send update skill sooner. I must have committed it. Okay, remote control connect. It's possible the fix just isn't there now since I restarted the server. Let's see. Oh, OBS is capturing this okay. So basically, there's this fix Okay, you don't have it yet, so I'm gonna have to type it. Okay, it's not even on the server. It should be though. So this is kind of like bad. Wait a second. This is the test server. We're talking about the server. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to connect to the server via remote desktop. This might make things a little bit laggy. Usually it does. Sorry if it does. When it's connecting, it's laggy. Give me 1 second, I'm just looking into something here. Section. Okay. Okay, so we're on the server now. Can't show it to you because I can't move this browser. Actually, I think I can. We'll try to. Oh wait, I can't show you this because it's kind of like private information. Anyway, I'm gonna take a look at the diff here. I think we probably haven't committed it, which is kind of bad. You know, you should probably commit the changes that you Oh, we're on stable. I see. Okay, I forgot that there's a stable branch. Okay, so now this is interesting because it's here, but it's not, it's already committed somehow. Okay, so now we need to... Wow. Okay, so now we need to look at... Oh, I know. Git checkout... Git checkout stable. Something like this. Checkout... Have we not pushed this branch? Let's see. It's possible we haven't pushed this branch yet. Stable is here. Why can't I fetch it? Oh, wait. This is the wrong. Okay, fetch all here. I think I already did this. Get checkout stable. If you meant to check out a remote tracking branch, you can do so by fully qualifying the name. Never had to do this before after doing fetch. Okay. Stable. There we go. Okay, so we can find it. The file is skills.java. And we can go to, oh god. It has been so long since I've used GitHub. Applied for fixes for okay, so this is already applied. So this is what I want to do. I want to go into Need Free to Play, the code base, and we can get out of. I think we can get out of this now. Because the only changes in IP is like that and that. Yeah, so we can actually close VS Code in the thing, and then we can also exit. This might as well stay inside in case we need it. So now, get checkout.mass main. Oh my goodness, you can't find main. Maybe it's like, there we go. I'd like to update the README with this information. At least until it's not true anymore. Basically, my MR explains it wherever it is. Oh yeah, don't allow normal users with the same IP as an admin or mod to exceed the login limit. IP that and then no, that's not it. Where's the logic? Where's the logic, guys? Where's the logic in all this? So this is in login request.java. logging in such a way that exceeds the login limit. Okay, and then the last one was okay. As well, keep this up to date. The differences list. It's basically still accurate as far as I know. Now, and also this was a ticket. It was kind of like something I wanted to do. So this was merged. But to finish this, we need to... Okay, hold on. Keep differences list updated. Here we go. This is basically done. I keep sidetracking, sorry guys. And Windows just froze. There we go. Okay. I just moved that to closed. I don't know why it's still showing here. Okay, so that's in progress, and I guess we're gonna merge stable into stable and merge so we definitely should merge develop into stable. Design this as a commit. $195. Okay. Now we're gonna merge. That's all one more time. We're gonna merge. Wait, core main GitHub. I think it should be GitLab. conflict in the README. Yeah, I think this is always going to happen. I think. Push it. Let's look at these commits too. So it should have, yeah, the fix for lesser maze lesser demon drop. Okay, cool. So check out stable. Stable. And we can merge stable and stable. I see why not. Let's pull this first. Okay. It's already up to date. So that's what we do. Cool. Alright, so that's basically done then. So the next time we restart the server, we can just remove the manual change. Or actually, I guess we can't until it's pushed into stable. But anyway, this is basically done now. Save this, put it into done. It's done. Cool. And we push main, or is it main? Hit push. Everything's up to date. Let's check. Okay, so it's been updated. Okay, that's done. Okay, so some things I want to focus on are I'd like to do this. This is like low priority. But I'd like to eventually allow people to change their character name back once. So if you change your name, you should be allowed to change it back once and then basically never be allowed to do it again. Because a few people have reached out and been like, hey, I changed my name and I want to change it back. Please just do it for me because I'm asking you. And I've rejected them, but I think it makes sense to allow them to undo the change. I'd like to do this a lot. This would be cool. Just be a cool little thing to do. It's definitely not a priority. Something like this. This is more important. And this is more important than that. Oh, this is something I promised like a long, long time ago, so this is also pretty important. This is a good thing to do. Commitment to authenticity. Oh, yeah, because people keep asking for, like, custom content and stuff. So I feel like I should put, like, something like paragraph on the about page that says, hey, we're not going to allow custom changes. This is something I'd like to look into. This is a total bug because it's basically not updating, like it. When you rename your account, it doesn't keep your KDR up to date. It only shows your KDR for your kills since the rename. So this is actually like a big thing. And this is something I'd like to do, but I don't know if I'll have enough time. So ideally, I'd like to work on these 15 things. Ideally. Like, this is important. This is like the most important. Let's tackle this next. Okay, so oh, this is cool. Oh, this is like a paid site or something. See, I don't think we need something this complicated. Like, we don't need different options. We just need, like, a basic month view. I'm not a huge fan of this. Demo. Let's see. Let's see. project has been deprecated. What was I looking at the other day? Different search term. What are we using here? We're using material UI. Oh, there's a date calendar component. Why does it keep changing from light to dark? It's so annoying. Maybe something like this. This isn't very robust. I guess we could just make our own. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this. Let's go back to, oh yeah, this one. I don't really love this either, but it kind of works. Let's just try it. Let's get started here. Kill this, and... Wow, this is such an old ticket. Okay, so tell us how to use it. Sold. Okay, I think I can make sense of this. Somewhat. Let's copy this stuff. We'll be creating our own component for this. Not sure if it's gonna have anything, so I think we'll put it into atoms to start. And I think actually we have a plugin that helps us do this, because there's a certain amount of files that it should always create at the start. One of them is this barreling file. Another one is a props file, and we have the component. Put this export at the very bottom. probably some kind of issue here. We don't want this. I don't know why there's emails here. It's data. Should we throw this in? So here's the HTML. Okay, so what is going on here? Okay, so we don't know what the props are yet. This is probably gonna be... Oh man. So we could probably have this as static data. Like all the events would be statically created, so I would make a code change for that. I wonder if there's going to be an easier way that doesn't involve like a... Okay, I don't think that's what we want. I think we're just gonna go with a data file. But also, I'm not sure how this is gonna work because it's called event calendar. So I think we have to import it as like... Why is this open? Yeah, I think we need imports. Okay, we don't have moment, but we won't need it. Maybe we do have moment, I don't know. Event calendar as MUI calendar. Even though it's not actually an MUI thing. Just call it MUI. Okay, so obviously import use state. Get this out of here. And you gotta need this TSX, so take JSX. Call it calendar data. Looks like it depends on this. I guess we could call this a constants file. I don't know. We'll just call it data. Okay. So, need some imports. Okay, no complaints for this. It's good. What's new events? What the heck? Well, it's a read-only calendar, so I don't know why there would be a data change. Maybe we don't need that. Let's see. Okay, let's just see how this looks. Well, we have to put it somewhere, so let's think about that. Say we're gonna put it on the home page, which is index. I'm not sure what props it would have right now, so let's just say it doesn't have any. Which I don't know if you can have that. Oh god, okay, yes. And just don't use it. Comment. Comment. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Probably gonna look pretty bad because it's not gonna be like centered or anything, maybe. Come on over, so let's go. Did it finally load? Okay, so this is somewhat working, which is good. So let's just figure out how add new event on November 2nd. I see. Okay, this is kind of cool because it does display some kind of like data. I'm thinking I would prefer if it just linked. Like if it had a hover state, which it does, it says first. If it had a hover state and then clicking it takes you to a news post where you can read all about the event that's happening at time, that day or whatever. So, yeah, this should work. God, this modal's so bad. Okay, we're gonna fix that. So. We just need some space, I think. And we could probably just say... or maybe just content block. What's content block? think we could just put this in its own content block. Hello Kitty. What's up? I guess we're separating these out by 40 each. And we're doing that. Hi! I know, Kitty. She wants to go outside. Let's take a look at this now. Okay, so now, why is it constrained? Is wide. We need that. Okay, so we've got something working here. Now, whether I actually want this to be here, I mean, I don't know. It's kind of big and bulky. And maybe nobody will get here. You know what we could do? We could have this latest news and updates thing be like a tabbed system. Where like you click something and it shows an event calendar instead. But then people might not think to do that. So, I don't know. We could have its own page. We could have it be its own page. I'm thinking we want to put this above the Discord thing, though. And also, I'm not sure we need to have the Discord button here at all. Oh, wait. This would go here then, right? I guess we could say events, upcoming events or something. See how this looks. Okay, now there's way too much space down there. Super random post that I just saw. Oh wait, now it looks normal. What? Why does it jump like that? Okay, some weird stuff going on there. I'll fix it. But yeah, the idea is we have upcoming events here. But we might want to have this be its own page. Problem is we're running out of space. Kind of. Not really even running out of space. Maybe we should just make an events page. I don't want to make this too long. I think I'm gonna do that. Let's create an events page. Yeah, we don't need this now. It's double space. Cut this out. Cut me out. Don't wanna live without. Okay. Okay, we're importing it but doing nothing with it. And we're exporting it but we don't use it. This looks good now. Let's say const events page equals something. Return this. And export default page. And let's try adding that to the navigation. So yeah, that looks. Got events now. And it does not work. Oh, it does. Okay. Nice. Okay, cool. This is actually somewhat functional. We're getting somewhere with this. Okay, so next thing would be so we're not ever updating it, so I think we can just say it's that. Don't need state, I think. We do need to make this into a styled component because it just looks horrible. And we'll do that here. It is a styled div, and we'll just put this in here. We don't need something for this. We don't need so easy to be renamed because it's going from MUI style prop to just CSS. Put this one at the top. Okay, so there's our style component, and now we can just say this. Of course, we have to import it and fix this. There we go. And now we just need to fix the data. Although palette, what is that? I guess who cares? Just leave it. calendar data we need to fix. Okay, so I think these are like the events that we have. So use Google's location service? What the heck? Where does it say that? Very confused. So there won't be any pop-ups. There's just gonna be there will be a pop-up. There won't be a modal, basically. So the first event is first. So that must be this. So pop-up content. I guess we don't really want anything. Not seeing anything. Oh wait, now it is. There we go. Okay, so yes, this is what started limited to a bit. So this is gonna be event name, maybe. So we could say like pure PK attorney number 7. Date, new date. Okay, so month index. It's November, so then 10 to I think it doesn't matter for hours. And then pop-up content we just don't have. So how is pop-up content used? Oh wait. We don't have access to that. Okay. I guess we might have to use the pop-up then. And just style it so it's I guess this isn't the worst thing in the world. So we could just do that. Okay, so next we will update the event. Alright. Primary is like green. Secondary is like purple, I think. Usually. See if that works. Okay, so we are using a third party component, so we don't have freedom to do whatever we want. Really? With like the prop names and stuff? It's a pretty green color. Yikes. Okay. Give me the standard green. Okay, too much stuff going on. Too much stuff going on here. Hold on. Let's close some stuff. This goes here. This can close. This can close. Close, close. This can stay. So actually, let's just say this. Please don't start a new line. See if that looks any different. It should. Not sure what's going on there. Okay, so let's use one of these as an example. New array 50. What the heck? Okay, so we could try doing this. Man, I don't know why this isn't reloading the colors. Oh, now it is. Not seeing purple, and maybe it's just not being used. Okay. Yeah, this isn't ideal. I wonder if we should just draw our own calendar. Highly customizable? I don't really think so. You can't like add an on click or something. Try this, but it's probably gonna do nothing. Yep. Okay. I guess we can show. We can show like a link to the news post then. one in here? Maybe inline link. Thinking something like this, and this doesn't, we can remove it. Man, this takes forever to load. Takes you here. I guess that kind of works. It's like kind of crappy because you just wish it would just work, but whatever. This isn't doing nothing, so we can remove that. I don't know why it keeps repeating fourth over and over and over again. Huh. Whatever. So let's save that for the moment. And then hopefully it just shows one event. Yeah. I wish it would show the event name though instead of the number. Like, what's the point of showing the number? Yeah, I'm not really happy with this calendar, to be honest. I think I might make my own. I basically have to go. I hate to say that, but I kind of do. But before we go, I think there's going to be some work to do here. Okay, so before we go, we're going to try to get a release out here. So to do that, I'm going to have to do some code reviews. And we've got Update Hall of Fame page. We've got How to Play page changes. I might be back later today because I have so much stuff I want to do for this project. And I just don't have the time right now. So, let's log in to something else. Here we go. Alright, we are now going to review all these PRs and hopefully merge them. Okay, please register on this site and create a game account before attempting to play. Okay, this is pretty simple. Let's take a look at the preview. Some things won't load, we know that. We're talking about the how to play page here. Please register on the site. See if these links work. It does. Create a game account. Can't do that yet. Not logged in. Okay. Looks good to me. Go ahead and commit and merge. Okay, first is Smithful admin tight. Ahova 8/28/2024. Go ahead and visit the preview. Okay, this won't load, maybe, whatever. I wonder if anyone else has gotten... I think no one else has any 9/9s yet, so... Nothing to do here. Else. Okay. Approve this. Made high scores button link to player high scores directly. Okay, makes sense. Okay, 2 pixel solid green. Path is active. If there's a path, then use that. This path. Hey kitty, I'm busy. Go on. Okay, makes sense to me. Let's review the change. Nice. Yeah, this looks good. It does fade in a little bit slower. Like there's a fade for some reason. Wasn't able to figure out why that was happening, but Yeah, it looks equal. Yep. Cool. Okay. That looks fine to me. Let's look at mobile. I don't know if I even tested on mobile, to be honest with you guys, when I originally worked on it. Looks even. Yep. You can click it. Oh, but now you can't get to NPC kills on mobile. Damn it. Okay, this needs more work. Maybe we should just put it into... I'm thinking we should just put NPC kill high scores into other pages. Just make this whole thing a lot more simpler. Wow, why'd that open a new window? That was weird. Disable... Okay, this one needs some more work. Which we won't do right now, but let's just get this forgot password thing through. Okay, code looks fine. I've already tested locally. I think we'll be fine. Let's just look at the preview real quick. Okay. Okay, so that takes care of the pull requests, except for the one that was rejected. Let's update some tickets. Still need to test this one. Let's take a look at the live site. Is it here yet? It is. Okay, cool. It was rejected. Just gonna put it here. Mark RC Plus with the recommended client. It is. Big warning, it's there. And yep. Okay. This should be working now. I'm not sure if the deploy finished. Deployments. Looks like it's ready. Let's log out. Logged in. We got password. Should get an email. And we do. And make sure the link works. And it does. Okay, cool. We're good there. So we can move that one along. Okay, so next stream, which might be later today if I have my way, we'll fix this, and it's like the least of our concerns right now, unfortunately. And we'll hopefully continue with the event calendar and make some progress on some other things. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much, and goodbye.